Alright, water's full. Let's take it to the animals. First we do the chickens. They'll come in here and get their feed bin. A homemade feeder, Home Depot bucket, some wood, works pretty good for us. All right, in my pocket, I carry 2 buckets. No hands for the phone. I try to put the feed in a new location every day. I put it here today. Well, actually no, because they'll probably get on it and jump over to the duck pen. So we'll put it right here. Water. Ice out what's in there. The best we can. It's warmer today. It's actually in the teens today. Here, cocoa roosters ready to come outside, sounds like. This is hard to do one. Okay, there you go. And whatever's left, we'll put over here for the ducks when we go around and let them out. Alright. There they come. There's Coco. The gate's open. I forgot the gate was open. Yeah, all right. Back to the duck, water and feed. In here, it's our feed, duck feed. More to try to control the mice activity at nighttime. Have our feed covered at all times. I'll put you back in my pocket for the walk back there. And maybe you can ride in the feed bin. Yep, you're sitting on top of duck food, folks. As we walk. You can see the phone starting to fall. This review is not as good. Let's stop it. See if we can get the camera to sit there. There we go. Camera's starting to slide down again, but we're almost there. You can hear him saying, let me out, let me out. Switch these. So I usually try dumping at nighttime. There's not a whole thing of ice in the middle in the morning. And we'll put them over here today. Like that. I don't want that either. Okay. There's the leftover. Oh, one of our strings is falling down pretty good. Oh, multiple strings are falling down. We have these strings up. We had hawk attacks. 2 attacks. He was only successful once, luckily. Get the new water. And I saw now that you can hang strings and it confuses them. They don't have an easy entrance in and out. And since we've done this, we have not. We also added fake owls, which I guess is double the protection. We've not had an attack since then, hopefully. Looks like we're getting frisky with the ladies this morning. Alright, set the duckies up. Here they come. Oh, got my selfie stick. Need that. Okay. They should start laying any day now. I'm not sure yet. Okay, that's letting the animals out in the morning. Kids start school at 9. It's a little after 8. Usually I come out earlier than this, but since I was going to do a video today, I thought we would start a little later for lighting. I usually come out, all the kids have a break in school between 10 and 10:30. So I usually come out at that time and check for eggs and the ice, if the water's froze over at all, which I'm not sure about today, but it has been over the last few days. I'll come out and break the ice. Usually the chickens do a good job breaking ice themselves, but the ducks don't. So I'll come out and do that. And also at that time, I will take wood chips to their pens. The whole area is under wood chips, but all the snow we've got is covered, so every day I've been taking a few wheelbarrows at a time back in there. And hopefully I'll use the camera again at that time. See you then. Alright, it's a little after 10, sunny, and we're gonna go check for eggs. And see if the water's frozen and break it. 2 hours since we've been here. Let's see what we got. Got 2 on the floor inside. You have 2 chickens that like to lay on the floor. The other 18 eggs or so we get in the nesting boxes. Okay. So now let's check to see if waters are frozen. Oh no, they're not frozen at all. Not at all. Alright. Guess we're good there. I might have missed them. Right. So, oops. We'll take these 2 eggs inside, and we will, come on, Luce. Luce. We'll take these eggs inside, and we'll come back out at noon to check for more eggs. All right, talk to you later. All right, it's a little after 11, February 19th, and we're gonna make our second trip out to see if there's any eggs. We got 2 earlier. A lot of chickens are still laying, so I don't usually force them out of the nesting boxes. I usually let them do their thing, and I just come back out later. Not really an urgent. If I was in an urgency to get the eggs, maybe I'd push them out of the boxes, but I just let them do their thing. Oh. Okay. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, plus the 2 earlier, so that's 15. Let me check inside just to make sure. Oops. All right, 14 eggs. There's 12 of them, plus the 2 we got earlier that were on the floor of the coop, which we have 2 chickens that tend to lay on the floor still. Usually it's 1, but just recently a second one started. Not a big deal. I don't mind going in and get them. I would rather them lay than not lay at all. So, all right, we're gonna head in. Kids are in the last part of school before we break for lunch, and then after lunch I usually come back out and check for eggs again. All right, well, I'll bring you along then. All right, it's about 12:20. Just finished eating lunch. We have about 10 minutes before the kids go back on the computer. So right now is usually the time that I come out and get the ducks new water, because usually by this time they're out. I've splashed it around, so we'll refill the 5-gallon bucket, carry it out to them, and then we'll check for any new eggs from the chickens. Pretty warm today compared to the recent days we've had here. The duck pen. Well, I had a dog out here with me. I'm not sure where it went though. Here she comes. Sorry about the whistling. Just behind me now. All right, almost to the duck pen. Can't wait till summer where I can run a hose back here and I don't have to carry the buckets anymore. Let's see here. See if I can set this here. actually had quite a bit of water, surprisingly, for this late in the day. Usually they never do. Just checking for eggs here. All right. All right. And then we'll walk around to the duck pen. And check. Walk on chicken pen to check for eggs. Can hear the neighbor's dog barking. And I heard my dog. Almost there. Took the long way this time, the unplowed way, so a little harder to walk. Okay. See if we got any more eggs for the day. No. I don't like that. We've only got 14 today. Usually there's at least one more at this time. It's warmer today than it has been, so I'm kind of surprised. We had 20 eggs yesterday. And it was a lot colder. But yeah. We'll head back in. Start back up school at 12:30, and then, which is about 5 minutes. And then after that, we usually finish school and we go get my oldest son from school a little after 2. And then when we get back from getting him from school is when I check for eggs again. Since I'm already outside and out of the van, I go check for eggs. I'm not sure if I'll videotape that. Maybe I will. All right. If not, hopefully I'll bring you along on the journey when I check eggs again at dinner time. You may think I check eggs a lot. You kind of have to in the winter. At least I do.